What's up, guys, and welcome back to another video. The thing is, I've started posting back on Facebook. I got several messages from you guys saying like I've abandoned you on the group, and it is not like that. It is actually crazy that I've been so busy like with everything. It's crazy. But I make a poll on the YouTube recently on the post asking you people like, between YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and other social media, which one do you guys use the most? And you guys voted for YouTube, which is the highest, and Facebook is the second highest on the votes, right? So I've decided to start posting back on my Facebook group. I don't even know that we've actually gathered up to over 1,700 page followers and over 300 people in the group, and they are actually interacting with one another. They post stuff and they answered it back. It's just fun like seeing this. So I'll put a link in the description below so you guys can actually join the group if you are one of those people that actually voted for Facebook as your main social media, main social platform. I'll be posting on Facebook. Also, I will be posting on YouTube, and I'll be posting on all of the platforms. I think Facebook is actually fun for people that are used to it and people that don't know how YouTube actually works. There are lots, like I said, after YouTube, majority of people that voted on that post are Facebook, right? And WhatsApp as well. So our group on WhatsApp is actually full now. I'll create another WhatsApp group and I will post a video about that next time so you guys can join. But for now, I'll put a link in the description below so you can join the Facebook group, right? And what will be happening in the Facebook group is that I will be posting content, a full content on how to do stuffs on Facebook also. And I will be, when we have classes, private classes like the one we are having today, which is kaftan suit. We are making a kaftan suit. I'll put a picture of it on the screen right now in case you want to join. The link will also be in the description below to join our Telegram group. So if you're having a private class, I'll be announcing it on our Facebook group also. So if Facebook is the social platform that you enjoyed using and that's what you understand very well, you can simply join our Facebook group in the link in the description below. I'll be there. I'll even be doing live broadcast once in a while, so you guys can basically join the group. So that's about it. If you are a Facebook user, simply go ahead and be part of the Facebook group, and you can also join the page. I just said I should just talk about this. I'm sorry for keeping you guys, holding you guys on the group without interacting at all. Since last night, I've started posting on the group. I've started being active as well. So all of us are going to be active and we can have a good interaction. So that's about it. This is just a quick video, and I will see you on another video. In case you want to know how to cut and sew a senator outfit, the video is right here on the screen. And in case you want to know how to pipe your neck, or you want to do this type of a design, all these pockets that I'm putting on right here, it's kind of like just you guys have seen this pocket, right? So a video will be on the screen right now, or you can just check the channel gallery to see that. So that's about it. See you on another video. Peace, and do have a lovely day. Bye bye.